Everything me have, you know me work hard for it. So why don't you nigga bad mind me for it? Every day them see me out a road and me a flash. Buy me one a liquor, so me have me one a glass. All them me close them so sharp. So who no like me style, tell a boy fit your calf now. Them a watch everything and me a wear and no see the hard work when me do for me career now. Them a wonder how me things and so there them want kill you for the car where you was here. Me heart not dirty, me heart clean, clean like the water from the stream.
Wagwan TikTokers, Wagwan YouTube. Gonna don't know, you know. Sometimes we replace these videos, compile these videos and place them over YouTube. So all who watch them video, yeah, most time a lot of things over the YouTube channel. So you can go follow me also on YouTube Life is a Mission TV. Alright? Yeah man, whole heap of things, whole heap of more content over there. Anyway, I do a video similar to this video we're on the right now already. It's similar. But how me I gonna put this, which is an advice me I gonna give to some of the landlord out there. Some of the cruel landlord we're out there. Cause some of the cruel body no man. Some of them out there who have these old lapidated place. Who don't do nothing to it, but who don't want modern days rent. When you go in there, some big old tile in there can we all 20-50 pound one of them. The window them are some big old long time slide up window. So what me I gonna say to you? When people come for rent on a place and on the landlord now, you have some agency with the responsibility, some agent, whether individual or whatsoever, with the responsibility of not only getting people to rent the place, but they have the sole responsibility of renting the place. You don't have a little mechanism you know work with, where I see it as very foolish. Very, very foolish. And I have an advice soon. You don't have a style where somebody come for rent the place. You don't say you know a scout, nothing wrong with that. Where you have to come and you look, and if you like it, you pull up a farm, like an application farm. We all know our place hard to get, so you have all 50,000 somebody I go for the one place. When you pull up, you see the amount of people that come out when you just go in, and when you're ready to come out, the amount of people that come for when you are come out. So the amount of application farm. But guess what me know? You see the little man who don't have a job, was self-employed, him not have no chance. The person who not have a job, I work with somebody and have them own business and operate, no matter the volume of the business, them not have a chance. And the people them where I work have chance. And I find that stupid. Because as I said, basically, say me have a small little firm or a little business I run, and me have 5, 7, 6 somebody I work with me. And me want somewhere for rent. It's harder for me to get that place. But it's easier for the persons who are working with me. Stupidness. You want to stop watching people work. Stop watching what kind of job people do. You only want to know these people have no criminal record and is performing no criminal act. What you better on a request is a bank statement. Yes, it better on a request a bank statement. So I want to see if the person have capability of paying on the rent, because I agree. You know, I try to look out for phone well-being, you know, and oh, you know, rent I go pay and stuff like that. But I am saying, it's best to not ask for a bank statement. It's that many people that have a bank statement, so that will easily show you if this person can afford to pay your rent. More than a man who might have worked down a blow biscuit company, or I work down at the Chinese shop. Call a man who work in a little Chinese shop now, where I get 2 points a penny. Me now I run a little business where me have a 2 little bus then, where if I even provide a service for schoolers to carry schoolers back and forth from school, is more a more suitable source of income than that person that I work there, so, and that person that quicker forget the job. You understand? You cannot work with a man, you know. Can tell yourself say you have to pick up that man and rent him your place, you know, because you see the job with him in, you know. Next week when him lose the job now, him not have no money in the account, you know. Because good old one little man who want little floss and gallis with just a spend out him money so him not no savings. But you rent him your place off of the job where him a do. Because he might have a high profile job. But at the same time, if him lose that job tomorrow, 1 month after you rent him your place, him lose the job. Yes, him live out the... As a matter of fact, for him start about live out month in the back, you know, so something wrong. Boom, you have to give him notice him come out. Him can't pay no more rent. Because him not have money. While if you did have a bank statement for a person, you have a better chance to know the capability and the stability of this man where finance is concerned. So start use that instead of sift through the application of these people. And because me are no lawyer, and to me are no doctor, and to me are no this, and me no work a bank, and me no work a this a big company, and me can't get your place to rent. Foolishness. The little man out there who own one little bus or one little taxi would have earned more than the person where you want to rent the place who claim to say them a doctor and them a nurse and them a this and them a that. I want to forget what I try to say. Because these are the people come like them and look for. No rich man now look now if you rent from you know. They must have them place unless them have one little side girl to rent it for. So the need to adjust this thing on a use man. Better on request a bank statement. Simple as that. But the which part me work to which part me not work. And that give me the privilege and the chance of getting your place to rent. Foolishness. And some owners me say I rent some dilapidated place, all time days place, only not do nothing to for nowadays money. Cool no to. Yes, my people, today, me just there to highlight a little thing. Right? And it's not really about patriotic. But it's just to highlight how humans are. And for who follow the channel, we here I highlight human being on a whole. You understand? Yeah. And this is just a little example of how people stay. Don't believe that people are going to be loyal to you. People are not loyal to you for what they can get and what they can receive. Yesterday I see a football match play in Jamaica. Yes, one of the players who has rated as some say him are the greatest player of all times. Some say him are the greatest of modern time. You know, everybody have them little different say, right? Because he's not really the player me have as the greatest of all times. Him is not the player we me have as the greatest of modern time. Yes, good player, etc, etc. But there's a lot of things why me have it, not have him as greatest of all times. But what me want to say to you that this team come to Jamaica to play a match, a return leg match, a team from the USA, right? To play a Jamaican team. And the crowd that turn out, as a matter of fact, I think grandstand tickets sold out online, that them have to stop the sales of grandstand ticket at one point. When you're looking at the bleachers, and now I'm going to tell you that the stadium packed to capacity, but it was a very, very good crowd for a club match, whether international club match or whatsoever. Very good crowd. We all know this caused by Lionel Messi. We all know it caused by Lionel Messi. But the point me I get across here, most of these people in the stadium are Jamaicans. Jamaicans, but there is probably supporters of Lionel Messi. Right? They're probably supporters of Lionel Messi. But when I check the levels and see all these people of Jamaica put them support behind Inter Milan from United States all because of one player against them local club Cavaliers. It made me stop and think to myself again, as I always do, and say, look how easy people is to sell out. Nobody no come tell me say, "Cha football and where." Come on. These people are not carrying the side because it's named Inter Milan. They are carrying the side because of one player, Lionel Messi. You understand? And this only show me how people easily sell you out. Easily sell you out for one way or the other. You don't want nobody come tell me about, oh, how them two of them favorite player. What? How can you make two one player? So that simply mean if Argentina come here to play against Jamaica, Argentina, whether them is a side international team or what, but Messi is your baller. That simply mean you're going to carry Argentina to beat Jamaica no matter the circumstances and the needs of we winning this match, where it can put us. And people, you have to sit down and just take them little things and learn. Now wait till certain things reach on before you learn. Things are like these I want to take and learn. I'm going to show you the clippings and all the behavior when Messi scored that goal in the last minute, and it was even before him scored the goal. Every touch him touch the ball, the crowd get up for him when there wasn't behind the Jamaican team. Remember people, man, take sleep, mark that, man. And if you don't think I lie, me I tell, man, go reason with God. Check out the clippings.
Greatness, see a boat there, I get greatness. I am not straight like, see me? Right, this up. Yeah, man. Flying aircraft, see me?
See all them man I hear them, they go tell you something. I remember me telling you, when time I talk them things, yeah. I don't like say something happen to me or whatsoever. I see it happen around me or happen with friends when I know or whatsoever. You say anytime when you down the yard and you live with a woman and you know you not do no woman nothing at all, but that woman they just problem every day, every minute. Remember me telling you say, you know say I don't know the problem in it. You know what the problem? Or the bunner man are the problem. Yeah man. The bunner man a give a problem a road. It's either promise to him promise her, him not fulfill. Yeah man, it's either the bunner man promise her something, or whether promise to carry her go out, something. Or she go catch a bunner man with her next girl. And you see when that happen, She feel bad in herself. So she have to come right back home to you, and then now, all of that, what she have got through, she tumble it down upon you. Because when you sit down here and say, what me do her? I not do her nothing. Me I play my role, everything I to do. A month, a week, a fortnight, the place stack of food, she get her money. So what the problem? Me not do her nothing. Member of the Bonner man. And her no problem, but she took it out upon you. If I lie me I tell, just sit down and reason with God. Uno Jamaican with their foreign, and if you stop it, you know. Yeah man, if you stop it. All of uno Jamaican we want to look good. By being clean, uno family and friend uno have a Jamaica. In doing it, uno if you stop it. Uno know what I talk about? Uno love send this one bag of old clothes. Come to Jamaica in a barrel and suitcase and box. Come give the people them. Whether on a friend or a family, uno if you stop it, man. Uno pack this barrel, send come. And when a pocket barrel send come, uno pack it with 1 ton load of pantry food. Tomato sauce juice. This here bean, that the bean. Uno know Jamaican no love fuckery. No cure them poor and pauperizing. Jamaican no name certain fuckery. Excuse my language. It's just a way of expressing myself. Because it a get too prevalent now, man. If you can't afford to send something come to a friend or a relative of Jamaica, that no means so you must go send the worst of things to come give them. Go look old clothes and clothes that people turn out and go beg on a friend old clothes. Back in the days, you could have sorry for Jamaican them way, but Jamaican gone past that now. No care them hungry, certain things you can't send, come give them for name. Them only for tomato juice and tomato sauce, this and some peas, them never name in them life yet. And this a type of soup and all kind of sitting. You understand? Them gone past that now. So if you change to the dirty ways, man, just to make yourself look good like you do something or send something come give people a yard. You send all kind of things come give them. And the thing is so hurtful, you know. Back in the days when you get to and sitting from foreign, you know, you could have wear it like brand new, you know. But nowadays, me don't know. It come like the worst set of things them people you get from people. We send come a yard, come give people. You understand? Sometimes some people get some barrel, the barrel with them get. And they who send the barrel up pay for the barrel, you know, and you have to go pay for the barrel, you know. And then it look hard for somebody send you a barrel and you can't go clear the barrel. But you see when you take your one little money where you have and go clear the barrel, Jesus peace, when you see when you're in the barrel, you want to drop them. Because the money where you take for go clear the barrel, you could have take it buy food. Because God bless you in the barrel, it not value your money. Where you go eat or where you go use. Because probably 3/4, not, if you don't mind, 95% away in the barrel, that's you go dash it away. Only if you stop it, man. Honestly, it don't look good. And no fun does do this because you don't want cloud for so now send things come a yard, come get the people them. But it don't make no sense because the cloud don't know look how carry disgrace money when the people them start showing up. And if you don't notice enough time the people them showing up, whether on a family or a friend, when we stop go a rubbish ship, go pick up things here, come get the people them. Cause a rubbish them they figure in, you know. How we left the pantry food for the people them we're used to them type of sitting there. This is soup and that the bean and this is tomato this. Left it for them people that were used to it. Now send it come a yard. As bad as thing be, Jamaica gone past that now. And me I go ask again, I want to get them your clothes here. And sit there and shoes on and send come give the people them a must rubbish heap. Cause back in the days when a man carry one, sit them come from fine, come give and wear all 3-4 times. It coming like at the store it does a come out. Nowadays them are Jesus please. And if you don't think I joke me I make no reason with God, if you tell you no. Cause I'm not telling you no lie, me I tell you no lie. Yeah my people. You see them topic here? Them topic here woman always edgy about them topic here. And them always biased about them topic here. You know, and them quick for come for you. But them for understand, say, that's reality. You know, I want to know, go in the comment and tell me what you think. The percentage of man and woman giving bun is not far
I may talk from a man perspective, and this is just my honest opinion. You understand? And if women want to be honest, are honest within themselves, they would have agreed. 80% of man, I would say 85% of man give bun. 85% of man give bun. And 80% of woman give bun. No joke. And you see, in a life, I tell myself, say bun is must, you know. Yeah, man, bun is a must. You can find a few people, them, man or woman, you know, give bun and just loyal. And then, as I say, back in the days when you open a Star, a Friday Star, you used to see marriage of 50 years, 40 years. When you can't open a Friday Star and see that no more. No, that not there again. You live good with that little woman and live with her for 10 years and not go with her, and the 12 years you married her, boom, everything start go wrong. But here the reason why, let me tell you the reason why. The percentage of man is 85%. You see the flesh? Man make the flesh lead them. And every time you go out there, you go see a woman looking good, putting herself together. That don't mean she better than your woman, where you might have in your yard. Because them love to talk about if you're roasted clean, your cock on the street. Not go so. I just the flesh tempted. You understand? Because sometimes you pick up you see a girl today and pick her up and want her. And probably tomorrow, if you get a one night stand off her and see her tomorrow, you probably don't want her. As well as you might get her and then get her and few weeks and thing, you don't even want her no more. So it's like the first impression, you know, kind of grab you. I've seen this woman. Woman now, a man money, make them give bun. Yes, man. Man money, make them give bun. So man give bun because of the flesh, and woman give bun because of the money. Because most women can't satisfy. No care how much the man a yard a give her, she always feel like she want more. And sometimes them go out there, they meet a man, yeah, the man using money and get the better of them. So money is the power we make woman give bun, and flesh is the power we make man give bun. And if you don't think I lie, me I tell you reason with God. Just remember, woman always want money and man always want flesh.